On today's menu, one of my personal favorites that you can make ahead of time, grape leaves.
Lei ho ma, everyone. I'm Will Young. If you've ever had grape leaves from the can, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's gross. Making grape leaves is easier than you think.
2.5 cups of rice. Wash and drain 2 to 3 times or until the water becomes clear. Two whole onions. Chop finely. Quarter cup garlic. Two to 3 tomatoes, cubed. Two tablespoons dried oregano. Salt. Pepper. A generous drizzle of olive oil. Mix. Stock pot. Lemon. Line your lemon slices at the bottom of the pan. Grape leaves.
Just drain out your grape leaves.
This recipe uses about 900 grams of grape leaves.
Make sure you don't overstuff them, because the rice will expand once you cook them. And just pull back, roll, tuck the sides in, and roll. Beautiful. One down, many more to go. Making grape leaves does take quite a bit of time and effort, but the more time and care you put into your food, the more your food will care for you.
Fill your stock pot with water, leaving about an inch of space up top. Use a glass from a spring cake pan or heat-resistant plate and a weight to submerge the grape leaves. Bring it up to a boil, then lower to medium heat for 35 minutes.
Now really carefully take out that glass.
Drain out some of the water to access the grape leaves.
Bet you didn't think that making grape leaves was actually that simple. Remember to subscribe so you won't miss a single episode. Now just roll them up in these marijuana leaves. Probably shouldn't say that. There's like kids watching.